Here again on Chapel Road and Franklin Avenue. Heading up towards the old Bankstown tape, which is earmarked for the new hospital. Yesterday when we came past, there was just wooden poles in the ground. Now they've actually started to escalate it through to the full fence, and they've got horizontal, now vertical wood pilings. So let's just go past things. As you can suddenly see where the plastic barrier is there. He's on his phone, that guy. So I've got supposed to, you can see here the wooden pilings. Turn the light on to make it a bit easier. So just behind the tree line, that's where the old signage was. So it does appear that they're going to be doing a fence all the way around it. However, there's no more progress on this part of the Bankstown tape. This is the additional signage, that's it. This is another short video today. As usual, building a bed in New South Wales. More signage on the other side of the bus stop. So if everyone wants to invest in a property, I suggest Bankstown's the place to buy now. The new university came up a couple of years ago during COVID. The metro, which is meant to be opening 2 years ago, but it's opening up at the end of this year. This signage is still progressing up the road. Yeah, alright. So if you like my videos, it would be great if you give me a subscribe. Make a comment and give me a like. Thanks for watching.